In this video, I compare buying versus leasing a 2026 Toyota Corolla over 9 years. I assume the vehicle costs $24,000 new and is driven 14,000 miles per year. I ignore inflation and oil changes since both cars require them. Also use a conservative $10,000 trade-in value at the end of the year 9. Though there are a variety of situations, this is a reasonable starting point for the comparison. The first scenario, you purchase a Toyota Corolla for $24,000 and finance it over 60 months at 4.99% interest. After 5 years, the loan is paid off and you continue driving the vehicle through year 9 before trading it in. With a 4.99% loan over 60 months, the monthly payment is about $452. Over 5 years, total payment equals $27,120. About $3,120 of that amount represents interest. Driving 14,000 miles per year results in about 126,000 miles over 9 years. You would likely replace tires twice, the battery once, and perform brake work. I estimate total non-oil maintenance costs at approximately $2,900. After 9 years and roughly 126,000 miles, I assume a conservative trade-in value of $10,000. This avoids being overly optimistic. The total ownership cost equals loan payments plus maintenance minus trade-in value. That calculation yields approximately $20,020 over 9 years. Now consider leasing. Assume a payment of $270 per month for 36 months, with $2,000 due at signing. Most leases allow 12,000 miles per year before you pay for excess mileage. 14,000 miles per year is about what the average American drives per year. Driving 14,000 miles exceeds the lease limit by 2,000 miles annually. Over 3 years, that totals 6,000 extra miles at 18 cents per mile. That adds up to about $1,080 per lease. Each lease costs about $12,800, including mileage overage. Over 9 years, 3 leases total approximately $38,400. Under these assumptions, buying and keeping the Corolla costs about $20,020. Leasing for 9 years costs about $38,400. Buying saves roughly $18,380 over the long term. I hope this video helps you make your financial decisions, and thank you for watching.